we're going to take a look at this interesting simplification problem. We have x over 2 plus x over 4, all being divided by x over 2 minus x over 8. So the first step that I would take here is trying to find that LCD and just to condense things down, because we have these messy fractions. It's not like it'd be impossible to deal with the fractions, but let's just multiply by an LCD. And in this case, the LCD would be 8. Because 2 goes into 8, 4 goes into 8, 8 goes into 8. So I can multiply everything by 8, and they'll hopefully clean things up. So I'm going to multiply both top and bottom by 8. So then I multiply the top by 8, multiply the bottom by 8. So on top, I'll have 8x over 2 plus 8x over 4. And I know I could have simplified this, but just showing you the steps here, each step of the way. 8x over 2 minus 8x over 8. So we multiply by the 8. So what happens then is 8 over 2 is 4, so I get 4x. Plus 8x over 4 is 2x. 8 over 2 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Over. And then here we have 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 8 over 8 is 1. So we just get x. So rather than dealing with the fractions, we just multiply by the 8 to wipe out those fractions. So now we just combine like terms. So 4x plus 2x is 6x. 4x minus 1x is 3x. Two things happen here on this simplification process where we have the x's canceling, and then we also have 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we get 2 for our answer there. So after all of that simplification, we just get the answer of 2. After all that simplifying, we just get 2. So the key here is 8, and again, you could have just dealt with the fractions head on. Like you just could have done x over 2 plus x over 4. But why make things more complicated when we could just clear out the fractions by finding that LCD? So nice little simplification problem today.